So this is an amazing desk slash table thingy that I got from my workout gear on my bicycle. I use it also as a stand-up desk from time to time, actually. It's completely adjustable. You just press the two buttons here on the side at the same time and push up or down. It has a spot here for your laptop, not laptop rather, but iPad or iPhone. You can also put it in the front here, or smartphone, other device. But I usually just put my computer here. And of course you can have drinks in two sides of the table or the desk. I usually put my chest heart rate monitor and elastic in here, and I can hang towels on either side there. So it's very, very convenient. And also I like that it's on wheels, and this curved, my particular version has the curved in the front situation. And that's good because it has soft round edges, doesn't stick into things, and I like how it sort of cocoons my bicycle. Of course, you can lock the wheels into place if you want to, but I never find that's necessary. Well, probably because I'm not on a floor, I'm on the tatami mats here, but it usually stays where I want it to go, and I like the flexibility of moving it around while I'm on the bicycle. Just pull it in, push it out, etc. And it's great. I can put it around like this, use it as my desk. Fantastic for the money. I didn't think I was going to like it at first because it is kind of very sporty, and I don't like having a sporty look throughout the rest of my apartment, but it's relatively compact, and it's usually up against my bike anyway. It's just on those occasional times that I want to use it as a desk elsewhere. So there you go. Excellent purchase.